What's good? It's your boy G Kid. We are back with another video. I can't wait to show you guys what I got in store. The hell, raggedy ass truck. I can't wait to show you guys what I got in store. Ooh, we got something going on the whip today. We talking horsepower, baby. Horsepower. And I ain't talking about some horsepower to go fast. I'm actually talking about visual horsepower. If you know, you know. Let me show you what I got going on in BMW. First mod, you already know we got to start off here. What is this little thing that look like it's got like a little fake ring you might pop out of something and you put a quarter in the machine and you get something like this? Let me show you. This right here. Start, stop button. But the crystal version in red. You already know we had to do it up. Red is your boy's favorite color. Red and black. If you don't know, that's what it is. Anyways, we got to put this on the car. But before we put this on the car and I show you guys the install, every BMW always has to start off with this. But before I show you what this looks like and the install looks like, let me show you why your boy needs a new one. Because I probably would have just kept it looking the same as it was. But let me show you why I need a new one. Let's jump over to the whip. All right, so every time I hop in my whip, I have to look at this piece right here. Take a look. Boy, that thing looking dusty. Look at that thing. Dusty, boy. Start, stop, look like stirred. I don't even know. So that's why it's mandatory for your boy to change this out. That's why it's the first mod happening on the whip. I touch that thing every single time I hop in here and start the car up. If you have any modifications out there that you actually see every day, I see people always changing mods, but they don't really see them, right? Do something that you're going to see when you touch it every single time you get in your vehicle. This start stop button, perfect example. So every time I hop in here, that's what your boy's going to see. That's what I'm going to touch. It's going to look nice. So let's go ahead and get this install started. And before you click off this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you're going to want to see what your boy ordered, and it's in this box right here. In that box right there, your boy has a new part. It is going on the BMW. It's coming from Beamer Network. You're going to want to see what your boy got. It's going to change the car completely. I hope you guys are excited for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. That's coming in a future video. Anyways, let's jump into the install. Let's get it started. All right, so your boys grabbed some little plastic trim tools here. I'm going to make sure I put links in the description below for all of this stuff. I ordered this start stop button off of Amazon, but I also saw a cool one I liked that was on Beamer Plug. Either or, I'm going to leave the links in the description. Those help the channel out. If you use those, I really appreciate it. Helps your boy create videos, do some mods on these cars, and bring more content to you guys. Plus, I love what I do with this stuff. So, let's jump into it. So, what you're supposed to do is come around on the outside of this bad boy and be able to pry up on it. Sort of like so. Then you take another little piece, a little plastic trim tool, and you get up underneath there. It's going to use and help you pop it out. Just going to continue to work your way around it. And just pop it out. Now we did that side. We'll do the other side. And we'll pop that one out too. Perfect. Let's get a hand on here. And good. Just like that, it's come out. Next we go into the back of it and we're going to unplug this clip. It's just a little clip here. Push down on it and pull her out. Very simple. Make sure to leave this thing hanging down enough. You don't want to have to be trying to fish through there to try to pull that clip back out. So now we got this piece. What we have to do is actually go on the back side of this piece. If you guys can see, it has clips here. So there's one here, another here, one more here, and another down here. What we're going to do is take that little plastic trim tool, and we're going to pop those out easily. Just lightly. We don't need to do a lot of pressure. These things are very delicate. Probably even use your fingernail if you have it. Once you've loosened these guys all off, there's two more at the bottom here. Once I popped all of those little clips up a little bit, just to give it enough wiggle room to pop out of there, just gonna take it right off and take it apart. Right, just like that. And so now we left with our piece here. Let's sit that guy down. We left with this piece here. You still got your start stop button here. What you can see is super free play in there now. So now that we've got this guy off of here, what we need to do at this time, inside of this, there's two little plastic clips on the inside, one on this side, one on that side. We're going to take a little small screwdriver and actually pry on that and push the button that way, so out. So now I just grab this little old screwdriver that I like to use, and this is what I use when I usually work on like RC cars and goof around with that. We're just going to take it on the inside here, and we're going to push it inwards on that little clip. And push it forward a bit. And then do the same on the other side. Boom. And now all I did was push it, and I pushed it out like I was prying on it here and pushing it forward that way on both sides. Now that I've done that, I can actually feel the piece in my hand on the other side. Oh, start stop button. Here's our piece. All right. Let me go grab the new button and pop it on there. We got our piece here. New start stop button. What we're going to do is line it up straight. Sit it in there. And all you got to do is pop it in place. Boom, just like that. We're going to take our back piece, sit it back on there. Very carefully. Take your time. Make sure you got it lined up right. And push your clips back in. Make sure it's all snapped back in place. Bro, you guys see how good this looks? All right, now that this is back on here, what we're going to do is take it over here, plug it back in on the back side of this bad boy. Fine, all plugged in. And I just always like to make sure, and I give it a slight little tug on the back side here. Feels good. And all you got to do now is push it back into place. So all I did was push it back into place at this point now, because it's plugged back in. And now, last but not least, do the initial start. Now I hope that install was super easy and simple for you guys to do this on your own whip. I'm going to make sure I put those links down below. This is the crystal one. You can get red, blue, yellow, all types of crazy different ones out there. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button, especially if you want to see this next modification that's going on, the F36. This thing is going to be mint. It's going to be crazy. It's going to completely change the car. I hope you guys are excited. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for